Good morning, IFA family. As we continue our fasting prayer on this 11th day for our devotion, we have selected from 1 Samuel chapter 3, verses 8 and 9. And I will read that two verses. The Lord called Samuel a third time, and Samuel got up and went to Eli and said, "Here I am, you call me." Then Eli realized that the Lord was calling the boy. So Eli told Samuel, "Go and lie down, and if he calls you, say, 'Speak, Lord, for your servant is listening.'" So Samuel went and lay down in his place. The Lord came and stood there, calling as at the other times, "Samuel, Samuel." Then Samuel said, "Speak, for your servant is listening." In this particular portion is a very familiar portion from the Bible, we all know. The young Samuel was dedicated for the service of God even before his birth. We see in the next verses at a spiritual advice, and always for Christian work we need spiritual advisors. And Eli was the high priest, and he thought as he lie down there, God visited Samuel and called him 3 times. And he thought it was, he never heard the voice of God, he was not able to understand who is calling him. He thought it was Eli calling him. He went all these 3 times to him. Then Eli realized God is speaking to the boy, and she said the verses we read, next time if Lord call you, tell him, "Here I am your servant, speak to me." My dear brothers and sisters, as we continue serving the Lord and studying the scripture, it is always important we need to listen to the voice of God. There are many voices out there in the world that will not direct you to the right places. But as a Christian, we need voice of God from the scripture, direct from the scripture. Sometimes God speaks through visions, sometimes through dreams, times through other servants. But here, a definite vision of God and a visitation of God for this young Samuel. As we continue our fasting and prayer, let us humble our heart and pray like Samuel prayed, "Lord, speak to thy servant." May the Lord richly bless you and bless our church. Continue to pray for one another. Pray for your need as well as all the needs of our church. May God bless you.